Yeah, buddy! Yeah, Jake! You need the gaff! Yeah, buddy! Big one. On what? The scubas? Hashtag scubas.
Hashtag scuba.
Yeah, buddy. All right, Jakey boy. Nice one. Yes, sir. Not stock, huh? There. Yeah, when he come out, dog him. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yeah, he pumping, he pumping. That's how, keep his head up. All right, Jake. Nice fish, bro. Oh, nice color. Oh, big boy. Watch out that ledge now. You're right, you're right. There you go, turn them. Oh, nice fish, bro. Up, up, easy, easy. Easy now, easy. I go catch him in the mouth, okay, if you can.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Yeah, Jake! Woo! Yeah, buddy. Nice one. Right in the pond. Yeah, Jake! School bus! Yeah! Nice fish, pal! Okay, just hold. Oh, you seen the hook just pop out?
Yes, sir. Baby.
You know what? Hold this. I'm gonna grab my camera.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, check, bring your pole. Oh shucks, not gonna fit in here. Yeah, he gonna be fine, bro. Okay, let's get some measurements. Whoop, 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 whoop. $37.
37
37.
inches.
30.
37 by 30.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hell yeah. Fuck. Try hold on more. Yeah, yeah.
Woo.
Yeah, buddy. Nice fish, bro. Okay, we'll go revive him.
Yeah.
Take him off the gaff and just put him, grab him by the tail. Yeah, he's still lively, bro. Definitely. Yeah, he's lively, bro. Dump him. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Yeah, Jake. Oh, easy now. You're gonna have all his skills. Now just pick him up, throw him inside. Grab him by the, there you go.
What it's all about,
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, nice job, Jake. Yeah. That's what you call catch and release. Ah, nice job, buddy. Oh yeah, he's long gone. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Happy for you, bruh. School bus. That's the one you won at the tournament, huh?
Yep.
Smashed.
Yeah.
There you go, Steve, Laurent, Jeremy. Bug of work.
Add it in.
Yes, sir.